Hello, in this short lecture I will talk about gravity. Gravity is a phenomenon in which uh, bodies with mass and energy are attracted to each other. According to general relativity, gravity is a result of curvature of space-time. And actually bodies with mass and energy distort space and time. And according to Newton, gravity is an attractive force between masses. And the force of gravity is proportional to the product of masses of the bodies divided by the square of the distance between them. Okay, thank you very much.